Graphic design involves creativity, problem solving, and effective communication. While there aren't necessarily tricks that will instantly make you a great graphic designer, there are some tips and techniques that can help enhance your designs and make them more visually appealing. Here are some graphic design tips to consider. Simplicity is key. Keep your designs clean and simple. Avoid clutter and excessive elements that may distract from the main message or purpose of the design. Use white space. White space, also known as negative space, is the empty space around design elements. It helps to create balance, improve readability, and guide the viewer's eye to the important elements. Hierarchy and contrast. Establish a clear visual hierarchy by using different sizes, fonts, colors, or styles to emphasize important information and create a flow for the viewer to follow. Color harmony. Choose a color palette that complements your design and evokes the right emotions. Use color theory to create harmony and contrast. Typography. Select fonts that are legible and appropriate for the context. Limit the number of fonts used in a design to maintain consistency and readability. Alignment. Ensure that elements are properly aligned to create a sense of order and professionalism in your designs. Balance. Achieve visual balance by distributing elements evenly throughout the design. Balance can be symmetrical, asymmetrical, or radial, depending on the effect you want to achieve. Use of grids. Employing grids can help organize elements, maintain consistency, and create a structured layout. Visual storytelling. Design with a narrative in mind. Use visuals to tell a story and evoke emotions that resonate with your target audience. Know your audience, understand who your design is intended for, and tailor your visuals accordingly. Different audiences may respond better to different styles and approaches. Consistency in branding. If designing for a brand, maintain consistency in colors, fonts, and overall style to reinforce brand identity. White space as a design element. Remember that white space is not just empty space, it can be used as a deliberate design element to enhance the overall composition. Visual hierarchy with size and scale. Larger elements tend to grab more attention. Use this to your advantage to highlight key information. Utilize visual contrast. Create contrast in color, size, shape, and texture to add interest and guide the viewer's eye. Experiment with different design tools. Familiarize yourself with various graphic design software and tools to find the ones that best suit your workflow and style. Seek inspiration. Look for inspiration from other designers, art, nature, or everyday objects. But remember, inspiration is different from copying. Always strive to create something unique. Design for scalability. Consider how your design will look in different sizes and formats, from business cards to billboards. Pay attention to details. The smallest details can make a significant difference. Ensure that your design is polished and error-free. Get feedback. Don't be afraid to share your work with others and ask for constructive feedback. This can help you identify areas of improvement and grow as a designer. Stay updated, keep up with the latest design trends, but also be aware of classic design principles that stand the test of time. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep designing, experimenting, and learning, and your graphic design skills will continue to improve over time.